Guess what colour he is wearing. Who's going to go home with fingers for this one here? When you were saying not any exposure.
All depends on the officials here. I've enjoyed the officiating.
You have to change the balance of this.
I think we talked a little bit about it last night. He's going to need to score early. If he lets it.
Pacifies his opponent here, sneaks round the back for a little 2-point takedown. In fact, the 4-point it will be all over. And as Brian's just told us, Maryanan sacrifice throw. He tried to go for the...
A skip and a jump from Šaršenbekov as he faces Stepan Maryanan of Russia for the Greco-Roman 60-kilogram gold medal.
Биз ар башкабыз, бирок бизди бириктирип турган үй бүлөбүз. Үй бүлө бул жүрөктөрдү бириктирип турган эң ишенимдүү түйүн. О мобилдик операторунун үй бүлө премиум тарифы. Бул болгону 1990 сомго чексиз байланыш менен 3 сим-карта, секундасына 500 мегабитке чейинки ылдамдыктагы үйдөгү интернет жана телевидение. Бүтүндөй үй бүлөңүздүн мобилдик байланышы менен үйдөгү интернетти бир айда бир эле жолу төлөңүз. Үй бүлө ар дайым биринчи орунда.
No fingers, red. Red. Don't cross the fingers, okay? Head up, blue.
Maryanan winning that 2018 world title, though he was disappointed to fail to defend it, losing out to Otto Shinobu of Japan as he settled for silver, ranked number 2 in the world at 60 kilograms. Both his European Games titles came at this weight division, but one who can easily switch between 60 and 63.
Red, head up.
Now first point for Maryanan from Russia.
Well, the question is up or down. We've yet to see anyone say down.
Contact. 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 Open.
Well, Maryanan with the points, and now looking to add that. Your scream from the referee for legs open.
Open, red.
Šaršenbekov testing the referee's patience as he tries to keep from losing out, but Maryanan, well, almost had him there. He'll have another go, and what a brilliant amount of power to penetrate the Kyrgyzstani's defense, and he's looking for more. In the end, fails to do so, but 3 points. Not bad showing for Maryanan. Well, Šaršenbekov did everything on the edge to keep Maryanan out of the scoring zone. To some degree, 2018 world silver medalists will be happy. He's managed to avoid further damage in world finals the same year, but Šaršenbekov at 60 kilograms, as mentioned, Maryanan taking it. Taking that at 63 kilograms, but Maryanan once again showing his strength to pick out an out-of-bounds point and heads into the break with a 4-point lead over Šaršenbekov.
End of the first round.
Strong performance from the Russian.
Against Kyrgyzstan.
They've got 5 gold medal opportunities tonight. And so far, a 5-star Russian dream remains on course. Although, as we saw last night in the 87-kilogram bout, shocks can happen. Kirill Mashkevich can tell you all about that. The Belarusian 87-kilogram gold medalist ahead of Rio champion David Shakvatadze. But otherwise, Sefer Shayev, Abdullayev and Roman Vlasov, the Olympic champion, taking gold medals. The only other one going to Balint Korpasi, former world champion. But Maryanan of Russia looking to extinguish Sharshembekov's hopes and make it a 4th gold for Russia on day 3 here of the Belgrade World Cup. You saw in the parterre the real raw power of Maryanan. He was struggling to score against Šaršenbekov, but then just dug deep. And he drove Kyrgyzstani out to the ring as well, and now tosses him down. The referee almost feeling the full brunt of the grappler's power. Thankfully unhurt, but Šaršenbekov managing to get Maryanan out and pick up a point. So eating into the Russians' advantage, but still 3 points behind. The warnings against Maryanan. There will be passivity against the Russian. No surprise to see the Russian heading down well. Both men taking as many breaths as they can. The rule changes certainly promote fast and attacking wrestling, but understandably, wrestlers are always going to try and find a little extra time. Maryanan stuck to the turf, but now trying to pick the lock is Šaršenbekov. Working left and right. He's going to do some job to pick him up, but he's so close to getting the score, and he does so. Well, 1 minute 15 to go, and Šaršenbekov into the lead. And a fabulous score, and Kyrgyzstan in front. Well, Maryanan just shy over a minute left. Or will Šaršenbekov cause a second gold medal shock? 3 Russian golds. Korpasi of Hungary was expected to beat the young Nagas Amoyan, but it was Mashkevich against Shakvatadze. That was a real shock, and this one would be as well. The world silver medalist Šaršenbekov, it's certainly a competitor who can match the Russian, and he's certainly doing so here. 2019 Asian champion, just 12 seconds away from a first Kyrgyzstani gold. You can hear the screams from the sidelines. And Maryanan pulls away, and it's absolute delight for Šaršenbekov. A huge bear hug. And after a bronze medal in 72 kilograms for Ruslan Zarev, it's gold for Šaršenbekov, defeating the favoured Russian Maryanan on criterium 4-4. Fabulous moment for Kyrgyzstan. And Russia's dream of a clean sweep swept away by Shashenbeko.